Welcome back, my dear student. So I'm glad you made it here. Let's continue with our function add slides. All right. So if you don't remember or it's been a long time for you, make sure that you go back to the last lectures and research that before you come to this one. So let's go ahead and create a query. If you already done so and it's not working, then we'll find out why. All right, when we see my code. So we insert into slides. Oops, my autocomplete is acting up on me. Slide title, right? We're passing in the slide title, and then we're passing in the slide image. Then we got the values, and then here we'll just put some curly brackets. And the great thing is that we're not really passing so many parameters, right? Like we were doing with other functions. So the slider title and the slider image. Beautiful. All right. And I'm doing it fast just because I really want to make a mistake. I love fixing stuff. Don't you? If you're my students by now, you love fixing stuff because you know that when you fix stuff, you actually become better. It's just simple as that. We're going to set a message here for slide added. All right, this is for our sessions, and we already have that set up in our helper functions, right? And then we can just redirect to where? Index.php, and we'll send into slides. Send that there. All right, let's check this function out and let's see if it works, right? Let's go to slides. Let's put this on top here. Save. All right, so instead of add banner here, change this to add slide, and this is the submit button there on the slides.php function, or not HTML, since that's what we got here, add slide, right? Make sure that your fields are sending the right information. We are sending the file in the input there, right? And then we should be sending the title and slide title instead of banner title. Slide title. And it's a reason why I left that like that, because I want you to actually complete the code instead of, and know what's going on, instead of me just filling out these fields for you and, you know, everything being automated. So, all right, so let's go ahead and check this out and see if it works. The way we're gonna do that is we got image 1, image 2, 3, and 4, and 5 there. All right, so let me go ahead and save. Oops. In 807 functions. So we messed up somewhere here with our semicolon. Save, and now let's choose a file, and we'll create this here. Image 3, and then some title. Actually, test from function, and then submit, enter. It looks like it did something, right? Let's check it out. Actually, it was supposed to give us a message here, but since we don't have the display message function there, we're not gonna get anything. Let's go and check it out. PHP my admin. And if I went too fast, guys, rewind the video, pause the video. That's why those buttons are there, you know. You should know this by now, right? If you don't, you need to go ahead and practice some more. So let's go to slides. Actually, sorry, what am I doing, guys? It's not gonna show there. Let's go to PHP my admin, and let's go to ecom under to our database, and now we see that it is here, and it should be in the home page. You see that? We got a new slide right here, and if we right click on it, you can see that it is slide image 3. This is slide image 3. Well, let's go in and test it again. This is image 3. This is the only one that is different there. Let's upload something else just to make sure. Admin. Let's go take this spec element out. Let's go and do image 5. We don't have image 5. We don't have JavaScript in there, right? I'm just gonna call this JavaScript. submit, come back here. Actually, we can go to home page and find out. There we go. See that? And we are displaying actually the what? The current slide, the last one. Beautiful. So we have it working, and we just still need to add some more features into it. Hopefully you are enjoying this. I think the next one that we should be adding, the next feature, would be to show this slide right here, the current slide. All right. So if you want to go ahead and take that as a challenge, go ahead. You should have enough knowledge right now to do that. Anyway, we're probably going to be doing that in the next lecture. So I'll see you in the next lecture. Hopefully you're having fun. Coding is fun, and you should be enjoying it. Take care and see you in the next one.